Smartwatches promise to revolutionize your life with notifications, apps, and connectivity, but they require constant charging and become obsolete every few years. The reality of smartwatch ownership reveals fundamental flaws that traditional watches never suffer from. After extensive experience with expensive smartwatches, many intelligent users are returning to traditional timepieces that simply work without complications. G-Shock watches represent the opposite philosophy from smartwatches, offering genuine reliability without dependency on batteries, apps, or charging routines. These watches operate reliably for years or decades without requiring replacement. They survive impacts, temperature extremes, and water exposure that destroy smartwatches instantly. They keep accurate time without internet connectivity or software updates. These 10 G-Shock watches deliver everything you actually need from a wristwatch without unnecessary complications. Let us explore watches built for real life rather than digital dependency. Number 10. Casio G-Shock DWU5600E Classic. Starting at number 10 is the Casio G-Shock DWU5600E Classic, the legendary square G-Shock that defined the entire category. This watch has been in continuous production since 1987, unchanged because perfection requires no improvement. The digital display is clear and easy to read at any angle. The shock resistance is absolutely legendary, using a protective floating module design. Water resistance reaches 200 meters, perfect for swimming and water activities. The battery lasts approximately 10 years between replacements. The stopwatch function is accurate and useful for timing activities. Multiple alarms help organize your daily schedule reliably. The resin case and strap are lightweight and incredibly durable. This watch has survived drops, impacts, and abuse that would destroy any smartwatch instantly. People have worn this same model for over 30 years without failure. The build quality is absolutely solid throughout. Military personnel, construction workers, and adventurers trust this watch. The digital display remains readable in bright sunlight and complete darkness. When you want proven reliability backed by decades of real-world testing, the DW5600E is the absolute standard. This watch costs less than monthly smartwatch subscriptions and outlasts smartwatches by decades. Number 9. Casio G-Shock GA2100 Casioac. At number 9 is the Casio G-Shock GA2100 Casioac, a modern design that combines analog and digital displays beautifully. This watch features both analog hands and digital display simultaneously. The automatic mechanical winding reduces battery dependency. Water resistance reaches 200 meters for water activities. The shock resistance is exceptional, using Casio's protective design. The battery lasts approximately 2 years between replacements. The hybrid display provides traditional watch aesthetics with digital precision. The case is surprisingly thin and elegant for a G-Shock. The watch looks far more refined than traditional square G-Shocks. The durability equals other G-Shock models. Smartwatch users often appreciate this watch's traditional appearance. The analog hands give it watch-like character. The digital display provides functional information. The lightweight design is comfortable for extended wear. The build quality is absolutely reliable. This watch appeals to men preferring refined traditional aesthetics. When you want G-Shock durability combined with traditional watch appearance, the Casioac delivers exceptional balance. Number 8. Casio G-Shock Tough Solar GWSW M56 Coming in at number 8 is the Casio G-Shock Tough Solar GWSW M5610, a watch that never requires battery replacement through its lifetime. The Tough Solar charging system converts sunlight into battery power. The watch charges efficiently even on cloudy days. The battery indicator shows charging status clearly. Once fully charged, the watch runs for months without light exposure. The digital display is clear and highly legible. Water resistance reaches 200 meters for water activities. The shock resistance is legendary using protective design. The stopwatch function is accurate and useful. Multiple alarms help organize your daily activities. The case is stainless steel with excellent durability. The resin strap is comfortable for extended wear. Users report these watches requiring no battery changes for decades. The solar charging eliminates the ongoing expense and hassle of battery replacement. Smartwatch users spend money on constant charging and subscriptions. This watch charges naturally and requires no ongoing costs. The durability means you keep the same watch for life. When you want to eliminate battery replacement entirely, the Tough Solar delivers true freedom from maintenance. Number 7. Casio G-Shock Mudmaster GWG 2000. At number 7 is the Casio G-Shock Mudmaster GWG 2000 Talent, a sophisticated tool watch with advanced sensor technology. This watch features quad sensor technology with compass, altimeter, barometer, and thermometer functions. The mud resistance is exceptional with protected button seals. Water resistance reaches 200 meters for diving. The carbon core guard structure protects against serious impacts. The Tough Solar charging system never requires batteries. The automatic radio signal correction keeps perfect time. The digital display shows multiple data points simultaneously. The case is stainless steel with refined finishing. The strap is comfortable for extended wear. The watch provides genuine environmental information for outdoor activities. Professional adventurers and mountaineers rely on this watch. The sensor functions genuinely assist navigation and planning. Smartwatches provide apps that are often useless. This watch provides practical functions that actually matter. The durability means this watch survives conditions destroying smartwatches. When you need genuine outdoor capability, the Mudmaster delivers practical technology smartwatches cannot match. Number 6. Casio G-Shock Frogman GDWF A1000 Talos. At number 6 is the Casio G-Shock Frogman GDWF A1000, a professional diving watch with incredible water resistance. Water resistance reaches an impressive 200 meters with ISO dive certification. The watch includes dive log memory recording dive data. The depth sensor measures water depth in real time. The digital display is bright and readable underwater. The case is stainless steel with sophisticated design. The carbon monocoque construction provides exceptional protection. The Tough Solar charging system eliminates batteries. The sapphire crystal resists scratches effectively. The rubber strap is comfortable for diving. Professional divers actually wear this watch for serious diving operations. The durability far exceeds smartwatch capabilities. The practical dive functions assist underwater work genuinely. Smartwatches are destroyed instantly by water exposure. This watch thrives at depths where smartwatches cannot function. The battery lasts years without replacement. When you want a genuine dive watch, the Frogman delivers professional capability affordable divers actually use. Number 5. Casio G-Shock King GX56. Taking number 5 is the Casio G-Shock King GX56, the absolutely massive G-Shock with commanding presence. This watch features the largest standard G-Shock case available. The shock resistance is exceptional through the oversized protective design. Water resistance reaches 200 meters for water activities. The digital display is enormous and incredibly easy to read. The stopwatch function is accurate and useful. Multiple alarms help organize your schedule. The battery lasts approximately 10 years. The case is stainless steel with polished finishes. The strap is comfortable despite the large size. The watch has serious presence on the wrist. Older users particularly appreciate the large readable display. The buttons are large and easy to operate. The watch is actually comfortable despite its size. Professional users value the visibility of the large display. Smartwatches often have tiny screens difficult to read. This watch prioritizes readability over miniaturization. The durability means you keep this watch for life. When you want maximum legibility and presence, the King GX56 delivers absolutely. Number 4. Casio G-Shock Rangeman GW9400. Claiming number 4 is the Casio G-Shock Rangeman GW9400, a sophisticated tool watch for serious outdoor activities. This watch features triple sensor technology with compass, altimeter, and thermometer. The barometer tracks weather changes for planning. The altitude function helps with hiking and mountain activities. The shock resistance is exceptional. Water resistance reaches 200 meters for water activities. The tough solar charging never requires batteries. The atomic radio signal correction keeps perfect time. The display shows multiple data types simultaneously. The case is resin with excellent durability. The strap is comfortable for extended outdoor wear. Professional wilderness guides rely on this watch. The practical sensors genuinely assist outdoor navigation. Smartwatches cannot survive serious outdoor conditions. This watch thrives in conditions destroying smartwatches instantly. The functionality matters for actual outdoor use. When you need genuine outdoor assistance, the Rangeman delivers practical capability. Number 3. Casio G-Shock Gravitymaster. GPWH-1000. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the Casio G-Shock Gravitymaster. GPWH-1000, a watch with extraordinary technology for serious professionals. This watch features Bluetooth connectivity to your smartphone. The GPS receives accurate time from satellite signals. The tough solar charging system eliminates batteries. Water resistance reaches 200 meters for water activities. The shock resistance exceeds standard G-Shock durability. The digital display shows multiple data points. The case is titanium for lightweight durability. The strap is comfortable for extended wear. Professional pilots and military personnel use this watch. The satellite time correction keeps absolute accuracy. Smartwatches require constant charging. This watch charges from sunlight and satellite signals. The durability far exceeds smartwatch capabilities. The technology is genuinely useful for navigation. When you want advanced technology without battery dependence, the Gravitymaster delivers genuine capability. Number 2. Casio G-Shock Full Metal. MRG B5000. Securing silver at number 2 is the Casio G-Shock Full Metal MRG B5000, the ultimate expression of G-Shock premium quality. This watch features a titanium case with titanium bracelet. The construction is meticulously finished throughout. Water resistance reaches 200 meters for water activities. The shock resistance is exceptional. The tough solar charging system never requires batteries. The atomic radio signal correction keeps perfect time. The digital display is bright and readable. The watch weighs surprisingly little despite solid construction. The case finishing rivals luxury watches. The bracelet is comfortable and secure. This watch is genuinely heirloom quality lasting your lifetime. The premium construction elevates G-Shock to luxury status. Smartwatches become obsolete and require replacement. This watch becomes more valued with age. The durability means passing to grandchildren confidently. When you want premium G-Shock quality, the MRG B5000 delivers absolute excellence. Number 1. Casio G-Shock Mudmaster Master of G series. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Casio G-Shock Mudmaster Master of G series, the ultimate professional-grade G-Shock. This watch features comprehensive sensor technology and exceptional durability. The mud resistance is absolute with protected seals. Water resistance reaches 200 meters with professional specifications. The shock resistance exceeds all previous G-Shock models. The tough solar charging system never requires batteries. The atomic radio signal correction keeps perfect time. The digital display shows comprehensive information clearly. The case is stainless steel with premium construction. The strap is designed for professional conditions. This watch is used by military personnel and professional adventurers worldwide. The durability is absolutely uncompromising. Smartwatches fail after years. This watch functions for decades reliably. The practical capabilities matter for serious users. The build quality rivals luxury timepieces. When you want absolute confidence in your watch through any condition, the Mudmaster Master of G series delivers the ultimate reliability that smartwatches cannot possibly match. proving traditional watches remain superior for serious users.